Hey America, happy Independence Day from myself, Steve, Captain Drone, and Andre. We are your neighbors to the north. We're both Canadian, and you can tell we're from the north because look what the hell we're wearing today. This is Canada, and it is the month of July, and look at us. We have like jackets on because it was raining a few minutes ago. The wind is blowing. The sun is coming in and out. Now you can see it coming out, yeah, just because I'm talking. So our plan today is we have an American flag in honor of Independence Day. We have an American flag and we have two drones. I'm going to try to put the American flag under a drone and lift it up in the air and take it out over the water. And Andre's going to film me with a Phantom. And since it's so windy, I'm going to use a big drone like the XDynamics Evolve. But the problem is, what are the gusts? They're pretty gusty today.
Yeah. 35 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, so that could be a bit of a problem here because when you put a flag underneath a drone, it acts like a big sail pulling the drone someplace. So this could be an interesting video. Anyways, happy Independence Day. Enjoy the video.